All right, welcome back. Hey, I know it's been a while since many of us have played drums, so let's just review. You need a pad of some sort, right? If you're at home or at school, you want to try to get this pad to be at waist level. You don't want to be playing down like this, all right? And you hold a stick, all right? Think of a stick like this, right? You want to hold 2/3 of the way down on the stick, so near the bottom of the stick, okay, the back of the stick, and you'll see there's about an inch. Extra space, all right? And when we play, right, we're going to be playing with our hands in a kind of a triangle here, right? And we're moving our wrists like we're waving bye-bye to somebody, okay? So that's the basic, raise this pad up just a little bit. That's the basic way to play drums. All right, so let's do it. Left, right, march. It's been a while. You'll notice that we're at 2/4, so that means there's only 2 beats per measure. However, if you look at the first measure, it's Huckleberry, right? That's actually 1 beat, right? So the teacher count off, which I need the mystery teacher to practice, when you guys practice with mystery teacher, the count off is going to be 1, 2, 1, and then you're in. So you're going to go 1, 2, 1, Huckleberry Joe, Huckleberry Joe, Huckleberry Andrew, Andrew Joe, all right? Let's try it. And measure 3, you'll notice, it has the number 3 on it. You could say Andrew, Andrew, Joe. You could say playing slowly, Joe. But that is not 16 notes because there's only 1 beam in the top. All right, so let's just practice just getting in, playing the first Huckleberry and Joe. Do it multiple times, all right? Here we go. I'll count you off and you'll come play with me on beat 2. 1, 2, 1, Huckleberry Joe. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 1, Huckleberry Joe. Again, 1, 2, 1, Huckleberry Joe. All right, let's go around the class, see if a teacher can count it off. Even in Zoom, it works if there's lag. Teacher count off 1, 2, 1, and make sure that the students come in on beat 2. All right, pause this video and try that. All right, so now that everyone knows how to come into the first measure, right, because the pickup doesn't count as a measure, right, let's go from measures 1 to 4, all right, and we'll start with the pickup, all right? I'll model it first and you come in. 1, 2, 1, Huckleberry Joe, Huckleberry Joe, Huckleberry playing slowly Joe, all right? 1, 2, go, Huckleberry Joe, Huckleberry Joe, Huckleberry playing slowly Joe. 1, 2, go, Huckleberry Joe, Huckleberry Joe, Huckleberry playing slowly Joe, Huckleberry. I just went a little further this time, okay? Let's try it again. 1, 2, go, Huckleberry Joe, Huckleberry Joe, Huckleberry playing slowly Joe, Huckleberry. All right, now let's go to measures 5, 6, 7, and 8. Looks exactly the same. Let's try it. Measures 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, measure 5, go, Joe, Huckleberry Joe, Huckleberry Andrew, Andrew Joe. We're playing slowly, doesn't matter what you're saying. 1, 2, 5, go, Joe, Huckleberry Joe, Huckleberry Andrew, Andrew Joe. All right, let's start from the very beginning and do this all together. 1, 2, 1, Huckleberry Joe, Huckleberry Joe, Huckleberry Andrew, Andrew Joe, Huckleberry Joe, Huckleberry Joe, Huckleberry Andrew, Andrew Joe, Huckleberry. All right, that is the goal for today. All right, using rhythm words. Now, if you're more advanced, let's use subdivisions. All right, so again, if you're just with the rhythm words, you could stop the video here now and practice with the class. If you're using subdivisions, you're more advanced, stick around. We're gonna go a little further here. Okay, so all right, subdivision people, it's gonna go. The 16th notes would count 1 eanda or 2 eanda. Okay, and don't forget 8 notes are 1 and 2 and the quarter note's just 1. Okay, 1 and. All right, so it's gonna go like this. 1, 2, 1, 2 eanda 1, 2 eanda 1, 2 eanda 1 and 2 and 1, 2 eanda 1, 2 eanda 1, 2 eanda 1 and 2 and 1, 2 eanda. All right, 1, 2 again. 2 eanda 1, 2 eanda 1, 2 eanda 1 and 2 and 1, 2 eanda 1, 2 eanda 1, 2 eanda 1 and 2 and 1, 2 eanda. All right. And that's the beginning of those subdivisions. And if you want to do it even better, you should just be counting 1E and a 2E and a 1E and a 2E and a 1E and a 2E, 1E and a 2E the whole entire time. So it's going to go like this. So this is even the next level above that. 1, 2, go. 2E and a 1E and a 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 1E and a 2E and a 1E and a 2E and a 1E and a 2E and a. All right, that helps make everything really, really even. All right, I'll do the really hard level again, but it's actually not that hard once you get used to it. Let's try it again. 1, 2, go. 2E and a 1E and a 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 2E and a 1E and 2E and a 1E and a 2E and a 1E and a 2E and a. All right, left, right march. Measures 1 to 8. Don't forget that the first measure actually does not count as measure 1. It is a pickup measure. All right, teacher, don't forget that when you practice this, make sure all the students first know how to come in, right, on the pickup. So you're going to count 1, 2, 1, and everyone's in, okay? If that doesn't work, you can say 1, 2, go, and everyone's in, all right? Use the rhythm words just to get into it, entry level, and then you can start adding subdivisions if you have a more advanced class. All right? Practice this and have fun. Take care.